want this really chunky. So I already added like a full bag in here, so I'm gonna see how it feels. There's also like an extra bag of perlite in there because my plants like chunky and I tend to overwater, so I have to make sure everything's really well draining. That's how it works. Oh my god. I'm gonna make this sparkier. Oh, okay. No, I don't wear gloves. That's boring. It's like raining outside really badly, and I was feeling bad that I can't take Mac for a walk. But also, like, I don't need the exercise anymore. So there's that. This is ridiculous. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm like sweating right now. That I want, so I'm just gonna put a thin layer of fresh bark down there for the time being. Ugh. Soil. I didn't even think about that. Shit. I mean, I have plenty more I can make, but I don't want to because that takes, you know, like 6 hours, literally. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I've got a ton of succulent soil if I need it. I don't think I'm gonna need it. I think I'm just procrastinating again. Okay. So what I would really like to do with her is kind of what I've done with Gracie upstairs, and that is get her to face one direction, because for these, yeah, I mean, they grow towards the light, right? And so if you put them in a window, they're going to want to grow towards the light behind them. But if you can get them so that they're, you know, if you need to put their back against something dark, set it up so it's already all facing one direction, is what I'm trying to say. And that is much easier said than done, I believe, in this case. Okay. The tomato trellis is not going to work. I just realized that just looking at this, because I would have to put it around, I would have to put it on after, and I would have to put it around all of this, so no. I'm going to save that for Kim, though, because this is totally going to work with Kim and the big, you know, the big celery leaves, because I can weave them in through here and then we'll hold it. All right, well that decision's made. He's the next one that's getting repot, because his is almost as bad. Okay. Okay, okay. You might be too tall. Oh, that'll probably be okay. It's really flimsy. That'll be great. Okay. These are just garden stakes. I get the coated ones. I was talking with one of you earlier about rust and how, you know, if you have stakes in there, they can rust and they can damage your plants, and that's totally true. I repot things though often enough, and I use the coated. I've never had anything rust, ever. So, Yes, you might hear some roots squishing. It's okay. It's okay. These are tough little guys. Can you not?